Good morning, students. I am Sunil Prajapati from Innovative School. Let's know about the noun. At all first, understand about the noun. We have to many definitions about the noun, but today we understand now in different way. Just like that. At all first, I would give you some example like that. Mohan, Ravi, the Ganga, temple, like that, river, city, school, state, country, etc. So, at all first, Mohan, Ravi, Ganga, temple, river, city, school, state, country. These all are noun. These all are noun. Why? Why? Students, tell why. Because this is a name. This is a name. Mohan. Mohan is a name of person. Ravi. Ravi is also the name of person. And also Ganga. Ganga is a name of river. And temple. Temple is a name of place. River also name is a place. And city also name of the place. School also name of the place, बच्चों. And state also name of the place. And country also name of the place. Let's give more example like this. Horse, bag, doll, table, fan, loin, cow. These, look at this example. And horse, बच्चों, horse, the horse is a name of animal. And also lion is a name of animals. And cow is also name of the animals. And look at this example. Bag. Bag is a name of things. Doll. Doll is a name of things. Table. Table also name of the things. And fan. Fan is the name of the things. So बच्चों, at all first we know about the noun by the examples. So Mohan, Mohan is the name of person. Ravi, Ravi is a name of person. And Ganga is a name of place, river. And temple, temple is the name of the place. River is the name of the place. And city is the name of the place. So by these all example, we understand about the noun. कि noun, what is the definition of noun according these all examples? बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो कि all these examples, what is the definition of the noun according of these examples? So we write a noun is the name of person. A noun is the name of person, place, or thing. According your books, a noun is the name of person, place, or thing. According your books. But nowadays, the definition of noun. Once again, a noun is the name of person, place, or thing by your books. But I have more definition about the noun. So what is definition according to the noun? Tell me, students. You know the second is, and the definition is any name is a noun. This is the most attractive and simple definition of the noun. We understand the noun according this definition. So any name means किसी का भी नाम, that is present in this world, that have name, that is noun. We know everything has a name. Anything, any person, any place, etc. This is the definition of noun. And another definition of noun is that the word that stands for name is called noun. This is the end of the definition of noun. My aim is that we have not claimed the definition. हमें definitions को रटना नहीं है, हमें definitions को समझना है, फिर उसके एग्जाम्पल के द्वारा नाउन को भी समझना है. आजकल बच्चे बहुत क्या करते हैं कि किताबों में जो डेफिनेशन दी हुई है उसको क्लेम कर लेते हैं, उसको रट लेते हैं, लेकिन रटना नहीं है. हमें नाउन्स को अच्छी तरह से समझना है जिससे हमारे सारे कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो क्लियर हो जाएं. इसलिए बच्चों, जो मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल जो दिए थे, मोहन, रवि, गंगा, टेम्पल, रिवर, सिटी, स्कूल, स्टेट, कंट्री, हॉर्स, लॉइन, cow, bag, doll, table, fan, these all has a name. And name, it means any name, कुछ भी नाम हो सकता है, और जिसका भी नाम होता है वो हमारा क्या होता है बच्चों? नाउन होता है. इसलिए नाउन्स की ये वाली जो डेफिनेशन है वो अपने आप में सीमित है, लेकिन ये हमें उस हर वस्तु के बारे में बताती है जो इस दुनिया में प्रेजेंट है. और जो इस दुनिया में प्रेजेंट है वो क्या है? नाउन है, जो हमें हर जगह दिखाई देती है, हर जगह हम इसको छू सकते हैं, महसूस कर सकते हैं, और जिसका एक अपना एक नेम है. क्या है बच्चों? जिसका अपना एक नाम है, जो हमें क्या करता है? दिखाई देता है, जिसको हम सी कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम फील कर सकते हैं. ये सभी हमारे नाउन्स होते हैं. तो बच्चों, अभी जितना भी मैंने आपको अभी एग्जाम्पल्स के जरिए और डेफिनेशंस के जरिए जितना भी मैंने आपको समझाया है, हो आपको पूरी तरह से समझ में आया होगा. एक बार और रिपीट कर लेते हैं. मोहन, रवि, गंगा, टेम्पल, रिवर, सिटी, स्कूल, स्टेट, कंट्री, हॉर्स, लॉयन, काउ, बैग, डॉल, टेबल, fan. These all are the name of person, place or thing according your books. Yeah? So what is the definition? Why these examples? Your definition is written here. A noun is the name of person, place or things. But we have not claimed the definition. Okay, so we have another definition of noun, that is any name is a noun. Any name is a noun. And the another definition is the word that stands for name. It means वह शब्द जो नेम का प्रतीक होता है या नेम को बताता है, वह शब्द क्या कहलाता है बच्चों? नाउन कहलाता है. इट मीन्स जिसको भी हमने नाम दिया है, जिसको हम नाम दे सकें, वह शब्द हमारा नाउन कहलाता है. ठीक है, जैसे एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको ऊपर दिए हुए हैं. हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं और उनके जरिए से हम नाउन को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. लुक एट सम एग्जाम्पल एंड फाइंड आउट द नाउन इन दीज सेंटेंसेस. Find out noun. The first question is, first example, A here is my father is a teacher. Second example is the Ganga is a holy river. And third example is Mohan is a good boy. So now बच्चों, you have to find the noun in these. Now बच्चों, you have to find the noun in these sentences. Let's find. Tell me. Tell me in these sentences noun कहां पर है? कौन बताएगा मुझे? Okay. Now, let's at first we have to read the sentence carefully. My father is a teacher. The Ganga is a holy river. Mohan is a good boy. Find the noun. At first, we going to the definition of the noun and the definition of the noun. Any name. It means किसी का भी नाम होगा वह क्या कहलाएगा? Noun. Now look the first example. My father. So father is a name of person. Father क्या है बच्चों? Name of the person. Father क्या है बच्चों? Name of the person. And teacher. Teacher also name of the person. Name of the person. So the two words father and teacher, these two words are noun. Okay, and in second sentence, the Ganga. Ganga is a name of river, so that is a noun because Ganga is a name of the river and name है. So क्या है? Noun है. So name is a name of river. That is noun. And river also noun because we can see, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, इसका एक नाम है, फिर हमने नाम दिया है, जिसका भी हम नाम गिवन कर सकें उससे हम नाउन कहते हैं. ओके बच्चों. एंड मोहन, मोहन ऑल्सो नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. Name of the person. And boy, boy is the name of also. So these all are nouns. These father, teacher, Ganga, river, Mohan, boy, these all are nouns. So now I give you some more example and you have to find the noun in given sentences. Okay? Now, you have to select the noun from following sentences. Following sentences. So here 10 sentences from your work. First example is Ram is a boy. First example. And second, Raj went to Delhi. Raj went to Delhi. And third is Kanpur is an industrial city. Industrial city. And fourth is Shivaji was a great warrior. And fifth sentence is my ring is made of silver. And six is milk is a good diet. And seven, the teacher is in the class. And eight, the Indian Army fought very bravely. And nine, there are seven members in my family. And 10 is that it was a fine sight. And this is your homework. You have to find the noun in these sentences. Okay, bachcho? After that, do this example very well. And the next is that we know kinds of noun. We know kinds of noun. At all first, we know about the noun. First is common noun. Second is proper noun, and third is collective noun, and fourth is material noun, and fifth is abstract noun. Okay, so we know all these noun tomorrow. Okay, let us finish from the today and come back tomorrow. Thank you.